What's up everyone? My name is Classic Manbuddy, and today, I'm going to destroy the cash register here at Five Guys, and I'm going to use my Aegislash. Aegislash. Come on out.
Aegislash.
Alright Aegislash, use Sacred Sword on that cash register, right in front of you.
Aegislash.
Alright Aegislash, your work here is done. Aegislash, return. Hooray! I destroyed the cash register here at Five Guys using my Aegislash. Oh no! It's Manbuddy the Animator 2305.
Classic Manbuddy. What was going on here while I was working here at Five Guys? And most importantly, why is the cash register here destroyed?
Well, to tell you the truth, yes! I did destroy the cash register here at Five Guys using my Aegislash.
You did? What? Oh my god! Classic Manbuddy, I cannot believe you destroyed the cash register here at Five Guys using your Aegislash. That cash register costed $50 to be placed here in this Five Guys restaurant, and now we have to pay a lot of money to buy a new one. Thanks to you, and also, using Pokemon just to destroy things is the wrong thing to do. That's it. You will be getting kicked out of this Five Guys restaurant for 1 week. Now, get out of this Five Guys restaurant and go home right now. Oh, and I'm also calling your parents about what you did here at Five Guys. Hello, Classic Manbuddy's parents. This is Andrew the Animator 2305 speaking. Your son Classic Manbuddy destroyed the cash register here at Five Guys using his Aegislash. Can you ground him for this? Okay? Thanks, and goodbye. Now all we have to do next is repair the cash register here at Five Guys by using Plotagon logic. Hooray! I repaired the cash register here at Five Guys by using Plotagon logic. Now it works again. Now if you will all excuse me, I'm going to get back to work here at Five Guys. When Classic Manbuddy got home.
Classic Manbuddy, we just got off the phone with Andrew the Animator 2305, and he told us that you destroyed the cash register at Five Guys using your Aegislash. That cash register costed $50 to be placed there in that Five Guys restaurant, and now they have to pay a lot of money to buy a new one thanks to you.
Your father is totally right, Classic Manbuddy, and also, using Pokemon just to destroy things is the wrong thing to do. That's it. We are grounding you for 10 days. Go upstairs to your room right now.